Good morning, Ryan. How are you today?
I'm doing wonderful, Olivia. And look outside. The trees are turning golden and orange. It looks so beautiful.
It really does. Autumn is such a lovely time of year. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Pro English Channel.
We are so happy you're here with us today. Get ready for a fun and easy English lesson.
Today, we are going to talk about something we all experience every year, the 4 seasons.
Exactly. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Talking about seasons is a great way to make conversations in English feel natural and friendly.
But before we start, please like this video, share it with someone who is learning English, and subscribe to Pro English Channel for more easy and fun lessons like this one.
Your support means everything to us. Thank you so much. Now, let's begin.
Let's go!
So, Olivia, what is your favorite season?
Oh, that's easy. I love spring. Everything comes back to life. The flowers bloom, the birds start singing, and the weather feels so fresh and warm.
Spring is beautiful. I love seeing all the colorful flowers everywhere.
Yes, and the days get longer in spring. You have more time to go outside and enjoy the sunshine.
That's true. For me, I really enjoy summer. The weather is hot and sunny, and I love going to the beach.
Summer is fun. Long days, warm nights, and ice cream everywhere.
Exactly. And summer is perfect for traveling and spending time with family and friends.
Let's learn some useful phrases about spring and summer.
Spring phrases. The flowers are blooming. The weather is warm and pleasant. The days are getting longer.
Summer phrases. It's hot and sunny today. I love going to the beach in summer. The days are long and bright.
Now, repeat after us slowly.
The flowers are blooming.
It's hot and sunny today.
The days are getting longer.
I love going to the beach in summer.
Now let's talk about autumn. Ryan, you mentioned the golden trees earlier. Do you like autumn?
I do. Autumn is so special. The leaves change color from green to red, orange, and yellow. It looks like a painting.
That's a beautiful way to describe it. I also love the cool breeze in autumn. It's not too hot and not too cold.
Yes, the weather is very comfortable, perfect for walking in the park and drinking hot tea.
And autumn means the holidays are coming soon. That always makes me happy.
Me too. Let's learn some vocabulary words for autumn.
Leaves, the flat green parts of a tree that change color in autumn.
Breeze, a light and gentle wind.
Harvest, the time when farmers collect their crops.
Cool, when the temperature is low but not very cold.
You can use these in sentences like, the leaves are falling from the trees. There is a cool breeze today. Farmers are busy during harvest time.
Now repeat with us.
The leaves are falling from the trees.
There is a cool breeze today.
The weather is cool and comfortable.
Now let's talk about winter. Olivia, do you like cold weather?
Honestly, winter can be difficult sometimes. It's very cold and the days are short, but there is something magical about it.
I agree. When it snows, everything looks so white and peaceful. I love it.
Yes, snow is beautiful, and winter means cozy nights at home with warm drinks and blankets.
That sounds perfect. Building a snowman is also so much fun.
Absolutely, and winter holidays make everything feel special and warm, even when it's cold outside.
Let's learn some winter vocabulary.
Snow, frozen water that falls from the sky in small white pieces.
Frost, a thin layer of ice that forms on surfaces when it is very cold.
Cozy, feeling warm, comfortable, and safe.
Blizzard, a very heavy snowstorm with strong winds.
Use them in sentences like, it snowed heavily last night. The windows were covered in frost this morning. I feel cozy sitting by the fire.
Repeat after us.
It snowed heavily last night.
The windows were covered in frost.
I feel cozy sitting by the fire.
I love building a snowman in winter.
Now let's practice some questions and answers about seasons. Ryan, ask me something.
Sure.
Which season do you think is the most beautiful and why?
I think spring is the most beautiful because nature wakes up and everything looks fresh and colorful. What about you?
I think autumn is the most beautiful. The colors of the leaves are just amazing.
Great answers. Now, here are some questions you can use in your own conversations.
What is your favorite season?
Do you prefer hot weather or cold weather?
What do you like to do in summer?
How do you stay warm in winter?
Which season do you enjoy the most and why?
Try answering these questions in full sentences. For example, my favorite season is summer because I love going to the beach. Or, I prefer cold weather because I love wearing cozy sweaters.
Practice these with your friends or family, and your English will improve so fast.
Let's do a quick review of everything we learned today.
Spring, warm weather, flowers bloom, days get longer.
Summer, hot and sunny, perfect for beaches and travel.
Autumn, cool breeze, colorful leaves, harvest time.
Winter, cold and snowy, cozy nights, beautiful frost.
And remember these useful phrases. The flowers are blooming. The leaves are falling. It snowed heavily last night. I feel cozy sitting by the fire. Seasons give us so many wonderful things to talk about in English. Use these words and phrases every day, and you will sound more natural very quickly. That's exactly right. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. That's all for today's lesson, everyone. We hope you had fun learning with us. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are learning English. And don't forget to subscribe to Pro English channel for more fun and easy English lessons every week. We will see you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and keep smiling. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye.